Hello guys, review TECNO SPARK 30 Pro. This version 8GB memory and 256GB internal memory storage. Open box and look complementation. In complementation we have device, protected back cover, adapter for charging with quick charge, key for SIM slot, and Type-C cable and headphones in complementation. Very good complementation in the box. Now talk about device. Okay, we have double camera on the back side, on this side power button and volume buttons. Display 6.78 inch, on this side slot for SIM cards. Downside Type-C port, speaker and microphone. And headphones jack. Second speaker on the upside. Turn on, we have Full HD Plus full HD Plus resolution display. Open settings, we have Android 14 and iOS version 40.5.0. Okay. Look benchmark results, GPU test results, CPU test results. We have CPU Mali G 100. Antutu benchmark results, very good. PUBG Mobile works on the medium graphic level, GTA San Andreas works on the high graphic level. Now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.